The most incredible animal migrations. Our planet hosts some of the most remarkable natural phenomena, among which animal migrations stand out as awe-inspiring displays of endurance, navigation, and survival. These journeys, often spanning thousands of miles, reveal the incredible instincts and physical capabilities of the animal kingdom. From the skies above to the depths of the oceans, here are some of the most incredible animal migrations, showcasing the extraordinary lengths to which nature goes to sustain life. Massive herds of wildebeest embark on an epic journey, traversing the expansive landscapes of the Serengeti in a spectacular display of nature's grandeur. This annual migration, a breathtaking spectacle of wildlife movement, is driven by the search for fresh grazing grounds and water, showcasing the resilience and instinctual behaviors of these creatures within the African savanna. During the Great Migration, over 1 million wildebeest traverse up to 1,400 miles across the Serengeti Mara ecosystem in a relentless quest for fresh grazing lands. Great white sharks, those awe-inspiring marine predators known for their formidable size and strength, embark on long-distance oceanic voyages that span thousands of miles across the vast and deep blue seas. They navigate through complex marine environments with remarkable precision, driven by an innate instinct that guides them through essential migration patterns for their survival, such as seeking out breeding grounds and pursuing abundant prey. These voyages also lead them to waters that offer the optimal conditions for their growth and well-being, showcasing an incredible ability to adapt and thrive in the ever-changing tapestry of the world's oceans. Monarch butterflies undertake an extraordinary multi-generational journey each year, traveling thousands of miles across North America, from their wintering grounds in the mountains of Mexico to the northern reaches of the United States and Canada. A remarkable feat of navigation and endurance that spans several generations of these delicate insects. Humpback whales, renowned for their majestic presence in the ocean, undertake epic journeys across the vast expanses of the sea, traveling thousands of miles from their feeding grounds to warmer waters for the purpose of breeding. This remarkable migration, one of the longest in the animal kingdom, showcases their incredible endurance and the intrinsic drive to ensure the continuation of their species. The sockeye salmon embarks on an arduous journey, swimming upstream against strong currents and navigating treacherous obstacles to return to its birthplace for the purpose of spawning and continuing the cycle of life. During this monumental migration, the sockeye salmon often becomes a crucial source of nourishment for bears, who gather at the riverbanks to catch the fish as they leap through the air in their effort to reach their spawning grounds. The reindeer, also known as caribou in North America, undertakes one of the largest land migrations on Earth, traveling up to 5,000 kilometers, 3,000 miles, annually across the Arctic tundra. This remarkable journey is driven by their search for food and breeding grounds, showcasing an incredible adaptation to the extreme conditions of the Arctic environment. Arctic terns undertake an extraordinary journey each year, covering distances of up to 70,000 kilometers, about 43,500 miles, as they travel from their breeding grounds in the Arctic to their wintering grounds in the Antarctic and back again, making their migration the longest of any animal in the world. These migrations are not just monumental journeys, they are vital for the survival of species, the health of ecosystems, and the balance of nature itself. They remind us of the resilience of wildlife and the importance of preserving the habitats that support these incredible journeys. As we marvel at these feats, let's remember the role we play in safeguarding the paths these animals have traversed for millennia.